Student of class 11, this sum is on problem sum of set theory. Sum number 24. Here it is given that two finite sets A and B have respectively P and Q elements. If the total number of subsets of A is 56 more than the total number of subsets of B, then find the values of P and Q. That means here A has m elements and B has n elements. Let us assume that A has m elements and B has n elements. Okay. Then total number of subsets of A, this is equal to 2 to the power m, and that of B equal to 2 to the power n, right. Here it is given that 2 to the power m minus 2 to the power n equal to 56. Okay. We have to find out the value of m and n. So, we have 2 to the power m minus 2 to the power n equal to 56. 2 to the power m minus n, we take 2 to the power m minus n is common from here, then 2 to the power n common from here. So, I will get 2 to the power m minus n minus 1, that is equal to 56. This equal to 2 to the power n. Here I will see 2 to the power n is always an even number and 2 to the power m minus n minus 1 is always an odd number. Okay. Here 56 equal to 8 into 7. So, I will write 2 to the power m equal to 8 equal to 2 to the power 3, that is m equal to 3, and 2 to the power m minus n minus 1, that is equal to 7. So, 2 to the power m minus n, this is equal to 8. This is equal to 8. Okay. Here m equal to 3, 2 to the power 3 minus n, this is equal to 8 equal to 2 to the power 3. So, n equal to 3. Sorry, this is n equal to 3. This is n equal to 3, 2 to the power n equal to 3, 2 to the power m minus n minus 1, that is equal to 3, this is equal to 2 to the power m minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power cube, that is m minus 3 equal to 3, so m equal to 6. So, m equal to 6 and n equal to 3. This will be the answer. That means I can write number of elements of A, that is NA, this is equal to m, that means 6, and A number of elements of B equal to n equal to 3. Okay. and that was sum number 24 1, and now I am doing sum number 24 2. Here it is given that two finite sets A and B have m and n elements respectively. Find the minimum and maximum and minimum elements are in A union B. Here NA equal to A and number of elements of A equal to A and number of elements in B equal to N. First case, maximum number of elements in A union B is m plus n. When A and B are two disjoint sets. That means they have no common element. Disjoint set means they do not have any common element. So, for example, I can write if number of elements A 1, 2, 3, set A equal to 3, that is number of A, this is equal to 3, and B equal to 4, 6, 8, that is number of elements in B, this is equal to 3. So, in A union B, this is for disjoint sets, this equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. That means m plus n. Okay, this is the maximum number. Total 6 element. Total 6 element is here. That means maximum number of elements when two sets are disjoint, then now maximum number of elements equal to m plus n. Here this is equal to 6. Second case, minimum number of elements in A union B, either m or n when A equal to B. Okay. For example, minimum number of elements, that is in A union B, that is either m or n when A equal to B. For example, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So, A union B, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, that is number of elements are 4 in A, B and A union B. So, this is the minimum number of elements in A union B. Okay, thank you.